for using Screencastify. The first is reflections. Students in my class could do next year, they could do reading reflections and they could do book snaps using Screencastify. Another idea I have for reflections is science experiments. So last year, for example, we planted some seeds and we watched the plants grow. And my idea is to, if I were to do that again, have the students take pictures and do a time lapse. For unit reflection, students could just show what work that they were most proud of for the unit. And then I also thought of behavior reflection. So students could type up something, and if they have behavior problems, which I had last year, they could type up something or take a picture, and they could talk about what happened and what they could do next time. Another idea I have is to explain different things. So they could use Screencastify to explain their thinking. They could use Screencastify to explain different choices. And this kind of goes with behavior and with writing. I was thinking that when they're writing a piece, they could highlight one or two parts of their writing, and they could explain why they chose to go in the direction that they went. And here's writing.